Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to explain what I think is the easiest and best method to gain about 10% a year return on the stock market. And this is for people who are beginners or people who are just starting out and they don't know where to start. And this is, I think, is the most easiest and stress-free way of just getting about 10% a year. So in the stock market, there's individual stocks, right? For example, Amazon is an individual stock. It's one company. Or we look at Microsoft, right? Microsoft is an individual stock. It's one company. However, there's these things called indexes, like the S&P 500, and that is not just one single individual company. It's rather a whole bunch of companies. So S&P 500, for example, the S&P 500 stock market index comprises of 505 common stocks, large cap companies. So this list of the S&P 500 stocks, as you can see, it's not just one single company, right? It's a whole bunch of different ones. You got 3M, Abbott, AMD. What else? We got Google, Amazon. There's what else? Berkshire Hathaway, Boeing. As you can see, the list goes on and on. You're not investing in just one single company. You're investing in a whole bunch of them all at once. Now, what kind of return can we expect from investing in the S&P 500? Well, if you go to Google and look up what is the average return of S&P 500, it says here the average annualized total return for the S&P 500 index over the past 90 years is 9.8%. So, over a long period of time, the S&P 500 gives you an average of about 10%. So, let's say that you're just new to investing, you don't know where to start, but you want an easy way to make 10% a year in the stock market. This is a way to do it, to invest in the S&P 500. Now, how do we do that? So, what you're going to want to do is invest in an S&P 500 index fund or an ETF. So, here are the ones I recommend. One of them is VOO. This is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. VOO is very popular. If, for example, you're using one of the robo investors like Acorns, it has VOO in its portfolio. This is just super common and popular. If you look at the 5-year chart, as you can see, over the last 5 years, it's had a plus 70% return over the past 5 years. That's actually a little more than 10% a year, which is nice. I guess if you've invested it in the S&P 500 in the past 5 years, you've actually been lucky and outpaced that 10% a year return. So in order to buy it, you go over here to buy VOO, invest in, you could do it in shares or dollars. So let's say you want to buy one share, just put in one share, review order, and then buy. I don't have enough buying power right now, but you get the idea. Or you can invest in dollar amounts. So let's say you don't have that much money. You want to just invest $20. There we go. You can do that. Then press buy, and it'll put an order in to buy this S&P 500 ETF. Here's another S&P 500 ETF, the SPY. This one's very popular also. Same thing, if you look at the 5-year chart, plus 70% in the past 5 years. So it's really good return. And if you want to buy SPY, same thing. Go over here, invest in dollar. You could put in even $5. Review order, buy, and that's it. So that's how you do it. If you're new to investing, you don't know where to start, but you want an easy way to get about 10% return a year, just invest in an S&P 500 ETF. And all you gotta do after you buy it is just sit back and wait. You don't really have to do any research or check on your account every single day or anything like that. You literally just buy the S&P 500 ETF and just sit back and wait for 5 to 10 years and then look at where your account is. And on average, it should give you about 10% return a year. That's it. All right. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and good luck on your investing.